back with another very interesting video. I like this update a lot from Canva. So Canva Create 2025 has just finished. It has wrapped up with a lot many new features. One of the biggest feature is Canva AI. It has enhanced all its AI capabilities, and then it has introduced Canva Sheets, which is kind of an rivalry to all other products like Google Sheets, Excel, and Airtable, Smart Sheets. Now, I'm more interested in doing vibe designing. So far, we have been doing a lot of vibe coding, but now this Canva AI is primarily helpful in doing vibe designing. Yes, this may be a big thing for the people who want to get their designs just done with their prompt, and here it is free to go ahead and try. So if you are new to Canva, it's go to canva.com and you can create your account at free. You just log in with your Google or anything, and then they are giving us to try AI for free. So when you log in first, you will see some envelopes here, and you can click on those envelopes. It once you click, then you can see the announcements. I'm just playing the announcement from Canva Create, and here, congratulations, you made it. You are the person. You look at it to unlock the wonders of AI. So let's go. Canva Sheets is big thing. Magic Studio, Magic Charts, Visual Studio, Vibe Designing. So Canva Code, perfect. Code is also another big thing which it has introduced, which means that now Canva can also do your coding part. So here on the left side, you can go to Canva AI, or here you can click on Canva AI. Then you go to Canva AI. Yes, you see this code for me option to code it, but I don't want to code with Canva AI at this point. However, I gave a very simple thing, like I wanted a home page for a website. The outcome of that code was super good than any other coding, because they have given emphasis on creating the UI better even in the code. So if you are looking for some inspirations on web applications or mobile applications, yes, you can use code for me in Canva AI, and you can get good inspirations in AI as well. They have given highest priority on getting a good UI in code for me. And then now design for me is the best thing, because this is vibe designing. So I'm going for design for me. So design for me has social media, presentations, marketing, cards and invitations, logo. So I want for social media, and let's see the formats. I want YouTube thumbnail. So I am going to create a YouTube thumbnail for this video which I'm creating right now. For example, let's say that create thumbnail for Canva AI vibe designing tutorial. And then I'm going to add my image. Let me say I wanted to add my image. I wanted to add Canva as well. So let's say I add it, and then I wanted to add my own image. So I'm adding two images. Use image. Let's see if I can add two images. Yeah, it added two images. Let's see if the file will not be useful. Okay, fine. So let's go ahead and do this. Create a YouTube thumbnail featuring Canva AI vibe designing tutorial. So let's see how it does. And within few seconds, our YouTube thumbnail is ready. Create stunning designs. And here it has given design vibes, Canva AI tutorial, create stunning designs with Canva AI vibe, create stunning designs with Canva AI. So I like, let's say I like, yeah, I think this third one and the fourth one is looking good. So let me try this one. So you click on edit, you can edit it. But if you want something more, add some interesting creative background for fourth image. So you are basically you are doing the vibe designing, which means you just type and create the designs. It is maybe for the logos, it is maybe for the social media, it can be for anything else. You just create that. So if you like any of it, yes, you can go ahead and use any of it. So for example, I like this, and I'm going to say edit, That's it. You can go ahead and edit, design like a pro. Now I wanted to edit in Canva editor. You can just take this design and then further edit it or download it. So for example, I'm going to Canva editor, and then if I'll further go ahead and edit it. Let's say this is my Gen AI video series, and this is, let's say, Gen AI, no, web designing with Canva AI. I wanted to add a Canva image just to make sure that people know this is related to Canva. That's it. I am done. And if I want to download, I go ahead and download. And all these things is for free, which is a super interesting thing. Now, if you want more stuff, let me go back to the home. Here is my Canva AI. And if I wanted to do, for example, design for me, I don't want, now I wanted to do, let's say, I wanted to do a presentation. I wanted to do logo, anything you want. So let's say presentation, create presentation on Canva AI. Let's see what it does. Wow, it has created multiple presentation. If you see, it has created multiple harnessing AI in design, harnessing AI in design. It has created multiple presentation within few seconds. This is amazing. Let's look at this. So when you see, here is the presentation. Keep clicking. Wow, innovative tools, AI in design. This is amazing. See, your presentation is created. If you want to add furthermore anything, you just go ahead and type. If you want to download it, you just open this, edit in Canva, and you download this. This is amazing, and it's quite fast as well. Even though if it is free, it is doing everything that needs to be done. So presentation is done. Let's try a logo. Create a logo for my name, Shahanshah, for self branding. Let's see what it does. Is a killer for the designers, to be honest. I know that designers can do better, but then I, it's doing things in few seconds, and I can edit it further, or I can download or use it as is. So this has created the logos. This is perfect. I love this. Let's see what else we have. So design for me, so cards and invitations you can design. Create an image. This is there for quite some time, so basically it can create images. So here is different types of images, so you can add your image, say what you need, and use style and aspect ratio. If you can do this, this is like any other image generators which is available. Document, this is primarily what document you wanted to write. This is also something which you can use chat gpt to do it, to write an email, to write a blog post, or to do anything. So primarily they wanted to bring all the AI into Canva, so that we don't have to go to some other tool to use it. If you take a pro subscription, there won't be any roadblocks. I think for free at the beginning, they're giving it for preview, but at the end they will be saying you will have some credits only where you need to upgrade to Canva Pro. At this point I don't have Canva Pro, but I can easily do it. So code for me is basically this does the code, but it is giving a very good UI. For example, let's say that I need a coming soon page for my e-commerce website, food, for my food store, let's say food store. So let's see what it does. Oh, let's see, let's try to update this. Let me quickly try to update this code for me. I need code for my food store. I need code for my food store coming soon. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it's going to write as I said. So this is can write the code, but then this primary emphasis what they're trying to do here is generating a good UI. This is really good for the sake of getting an inspiration on mobile or web applications. I'm going to use it for getting good UIs, and then I'm going to use it to generate the logos, to generate the designs, to generate the presentations for me, all in one place. Earlier, I used to use Canva for creating the thumbnails. Now, with few seconds, few edits or few prompts, I would be able to get this done. Thank you, Canva, for helping out many people in doing this vibe designing without writing anything or without spending a lot of time for designs. Please do watch Canva Create 2025 for all other updates. There are many other updates like Canva Sheets, which is something brand new that is available within Canva. They are up to the mark and they are doing great in terms of their competitors. In fact, the people from biggest companies use Canva a lot. To keep updated about all the latest Gen AI updates and all different products that is coming in the market, do subscribe and follow me on YouTube or on the LinkedIn. Um, Google has released its latest vibe coding tool called Firebase Studio. I just made a video yesterday. You can go to my Gen AI series and then you can watch that video. You don't have to write a piece of code, but still you just give simple prompt and the whole website is generated, that too for free with Google's new tool. Thank you. If you have any questions, you put the questions in the chat window and I'll be trying to answer them. If you need to reach out to me, go to LinkedIn and search my name Shahanshah Sheikh, or I have a website shahanshah.com. So here it has finished this version 1. Let's see how the version 1 looks like. So here is the page which it has created, coming soon. Wow, see the design which it has given. Generally when you try to do this with ChatGPT or any other tools, this design focus is not much more, but here it is primarily based on design focused. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a good day.